Usually you can't get away with all caps in my stream, but like that worked out. I think it has to be longer. Hello, Brando Calrissian. How are you doing? No worries. Mad Stork, that wasn't like that wasn't chastising you. That's just like usually the mod, like the stream mod will the Streamlabs mod will time you out. Like I bet I could get well, I don't want to get timed out. I'm not sure if I didn't hit cabs well. Yeah. What were you playing? What were you playing? That is what I'm drinking. That's the tea I'm drinking. I hate French. Why do you hate French? What's wrong with French? Did I speak French? I have today I have predecessor. Oh, that's cool. I don't know what you mean by you hate French, but so my allergies are really bad today. And so I've got a little bit of a scratchy voice. So I've got a like raspy radio voice today. Y'all can like go to sleep to it. Gotta like cough too. I don't know why we're saying we hate French. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know. I find it funny. Twitch banned the word hate plus French. Really? Someone just say French then. I think if you hate anything, Like it's technically like hate speech. So you just try not to say hate anything. Yeah. Yeah. You were at a chess stream. That's awesome. Yeah, hate plus nationality makes sense. We don't want to. Although French is French, yeah, I guess it is. With D and X. Oh, you said you hate the French opening. Oh my goodness. Now me adding the permitted term, like I need to undo it because now it's like permitted here, but I'll just look for it, I guess. With DNS exfiltration, I don't know what exfiltration is. It's temporary. Good. Good. Good, good, good. I'll allow it. I'll allow it. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. Yes, I don't know what exfiltration is. Hey, it's Late Chico. Your color changed of your name. Usually it's red. You like my hair? My wet, just showered hair? Should I do it style like this all the time? Like just make it look wet and soaked? This kind of bugs me. Dan!
This channel is great, where anything goes.
That's true. Anything goes. Let's not. That is weird though, Rupee. That is pretty weird. Um, but maybe like let's not experiment about, okay, quit. Like just, all right, let's stop now talking about things that you like like chill on that for a few. Uh oh, Dino did it. That's awesome. Green beans. Yeah. Like we don't need to, well, good vibes only here, right? So today, I realized I've been like trying to quit it. No more hate. No more hate. You should check, I would say check your vibes, but green beans should be banned. DRX, thank you for the follow. Only love can hurt like this. There you go. I can't even sing today. I can sing Macy Gray. Games changing and fear. All right. See ya. It's Late Chico. See you. Yeah, vibrator isn't on right now. I'm going to put it back on. What happened to my lights? Whoa. What happened to my lights? Crazy. Don't have it on right now. It's Late Chico. Because I'm going to attach it to my website. I did start using Vim, Ruby. I did. I've been using it a lot now. Yeah. And so today I'm going to log into my server, and I'm going to work on my website. Actually, I don't need to log onto my server, do I? Because I have SSHD, which I almost forgot about. SSHFD, right? File directory, or is that what it is? Now I gotta see if I remember how to use it, TBH, right? Like, I've been wanting to go back to my time management app, but when I was trying to apply for jobs, yeah, repeat. Now you're like, I don't know, don't insult the robots. Be careful about that. Thanks for the follow, Sumit. Wonder if it uses rsync. Bubbles! Bubbles! I have not used Vim or Obsidian. I'm about to take the time to learn Obsidian. I don't know Obsidian. I want to learn Terraform, and I know these are unrelated, but and what's the other one? Terraform and the DevOps stuff. Eventually. Oh, that's awesome. Not Kubernetes, the other one, in Ansible. You got to play with Laravel. That's so great, Dan. I was like, so I've been trying to like get into developer relations because I think I would really like it as a career. And and so one of the things I was thinking is, oh, my like shirt is soaked. This is not not that kind of stream, y'all, but I just noticed it and I cannot gotta wait a little while to like whatever. Anyway, tangent. So I've been trying to learn so I've been trying to apply to developer relations jobs and oh I know, Alvi Doodle. 100% that's true. What is the last thing you wanted to learn? What are you learning right now? Pulumi? I don't know what Pulumi is. So I've been wanting to apply for DevRel jobs, developer relations, because like I said, I think I think I would really like it as a career. And and so one of the things that I don't have is a website. So that's why I'm doing this today. And I was thinking like, I wonder if like being a Laravel developer relations professional would be good. I mean, they have such a good education community that I feel like they've already got all the DevRel they need, but how shiny my nose is. Always with the nose. Recursive goals, yeah. Trying to build a programming language? That's cool. I knew someone who was like that, who liked to do that stuff. What you should do instead, Rupi, of, well, I'm not going to tell you what you should do because I get tired of people doing that to me. But what you could do is make like YAML a proper programming language or like improve. I could make content for Laracastan, but I don't know like I don't know if I know enough about Laravel. Like I've worked with Laravel and I like the shape, but you know the people who do Laracast videos are like real big, Laravel. Like Tyler is just incredible. Um nice. Nice, nice. But uh anyway, they got them good cameras. What are you saying about my camera, Dan? Do I need a new do I need a DSLR? You want me to do a subathon for a DSLR? Would you like to see all of my pores? All right, I don't remember. Let's interesting. Is this stuff I shouldn't share? Fuck. Do I have nothing in here? Get the crap. My pores are okay. Hey JD, how you doing, friend? Been a while. So I remember this is probably the one that I have that's connected to the server, right? But do I have to log into it? Do I have to do SSHFD or is it like already like that? I gotta ask people who aren't here. Polite answer is okay. Oh, buddy. You wanna talk about it? Mirrorless? Pizza Force, that's a good point. How have you been, friend? Haven't seen you in a bit. JD, we can talk about it. Depends on how like open you want to be on stream, though. But I'm down to listen to your not okays. Oh, boo. No warning? Yikes. That sucks. I need like sad bubbles in the chat. Grey Hatter, I don't know what happened to my stuff from here. Did I mess it up? Freaking out a lot, but going full-time content creator between sending out resumes. Yeah, that's good. What kind of ooh, yikes, that's so hard. Well, fired sucks. It's really hard. Oh, because I'm not, why would it? Oh, thanks. No, my stuff is gone though. Hold on, but that doesn't make sense. My server stuff, yeah. I don't know, actually. I think I'm looking in the wrong spot. Oh. Mhm. Like all my stuff. I don't know. I remember like maybe it's not in this spot. Hold on.
Almost 2 years crazy.
I know, Floff. 21 months. I need some more sub badges. Sorry, allergies. Yeah. Mm. Oh, I'm feeling fine. I just have allergies. So like I sound like I'm feel horrible. Like I've got a raspy voice and everything, but I feel okay. I feel fine. It's not bad. Um, where did I put it? Did I put it in portfolio? Portfolio C? Dude, I do not know where I put anything. My site? See if it's in my site. Now I gotta find everything. My site pulls manage.py. All right, HTTPS, curl. I really think it's under Chrissy Codes because index.html, remember this stuff? Nvim serve HTTP Chrissy Codes index HTML. So hold on, if I go far enough back, I'll be able to see pop D. Chrissy Codes at Chrissy Codes. So I think I was in the right spot. Or maybe it's like way up in my no. Hold on. What am I looking for? I'm looking for my SSHFS. You're lucky it wasn't worse? How could it be worse, JD? Do they think like it was full of inaccurate HR disagreed with the accusations? Oh, this happens. Okay. Yeah, that does happen. How does SSHFS work? I don't know. We just started it. I don't know. Never mind. With SSH. Did I restart it? No. Do I need to? This feeling to go away. Okay, hold on. Okay, now I've restarted it and I'm there. Excuse me. All right, and so if I go into Chrissy Codes, and then I do, what's up? Yeah, sure. What favor would you like me to do? That's awesome. That's awful. SSH into my server. Not from here though, right? Or does it? It doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Yes, SSH into your server, please. Did I not just do that? The lag is bad. That's what's happening. LDD or what even is that? Linux. I discovered this band and I was in Korea. This band? I love this video. I love Of Monsters and Men. It's a great. No, don't take off. And I don't mind you sucking the air out of the room. No. Absolutely. Like if you want to leave cuz you want some rest and like quiet, please. But like we're here to support you and tell you that you didn't, deserve that and we want you here unlike your stupid company. So do not feel like you're yeah, like the French thing kind of took the air out of the room as well. So no worries. Triple carrier. Not in the worst way, just a weird way. Look at this blind trust, y'all. Doesn't happen with just everybody, but this is serious blind trust. and then that code. Jackson Studios. Which keys I have to look down for? It is to hey, this noob, how you doing? I don't know if I was supposed to respond because I'm not sure I am cool people, but if I am allowed to respond, heyo to you too, this noob. Reactor, Angular, and why? No. We don't do like framework wars in here. But if you want to do a framework war, I think I'm sure you'll get like a lot of luck with every other streamer, but not really. Programming streamers love framework wars. We love them. They're our favorite things. We do frameworks. We just don't do framework wars. People use things, you know what I mean? Just no wars. Mostly because like for one, there are so very few people who have mastered more than one framework. Oh, looking for one to choose. Oh, okay. Your framework road. So are you brand new to frameworks or? Yeah. That's good. Okay. Are you brand new? I don't have many. I'll do one of the Monty Python skits. Yeah, write your own framework. No, you said rerun it. Oh, sorry. Rerun it and echo question mark 1. Learning TypeScript before I tried AngularJS, but I'm looking for opinions and info. I've only touched React. I've worked with Vue. There's a streamer who uses Angular, Finite Singularity. He knows a lot about Angular. So you can ask him. Let me just shout him out really quickly, and you can go find his I haven't seen him in a while because we've just missed each other. We like stream at opposite times of the day, but so if you go check him out, he uses Angular, although he's been doing more extension like Streamlabs extensions for streaming. Use Swagger. Swagger is awesome. I love Swagger. I think Fluff, was it you who like told me about Swagger? It might have been Fluff who told me about Swagger. Got a little bit of a stutter today, so newer things? Yeah. Yeah, he knows Angular, and I think he's used a couple other frameworks as well. And then Maddie, so Maddie, although Madeline hasn't streamed in a while. Has anybody seen Maddie in a while? So Maddie uses React. There are a lot of streamers who use React. As a matter of fact, Melky built a whole like what was it called? 49 seconds. Come on. Melky built a whole open source project that a bunch of people could add to in 33 seconds. Are you kidding me? This is so frustrating. In React. So he'll know a little bit about it. His streams are during the day as well. And he probably isn't going to be like he'll, if you talk about his Astro project, Astro something project, and you say like, I heard it was written in React, do you have any advice about it? He'll give you advice then. But if you just go into a stream and you're like, which framework do I use? You know, it's hard to answer that question. So and then I mean, there are a ton of people who just don't stream anymore. And I was thinking about this. Yeah, flip a coin. React is more popular right now. There's actually, if you look at like there, what's that, you guys, what's that site that like basically ranks the frameworks, and it like is a big survey of a whole bunch of software developers and people who work in tech, and they like rank like the usage of Python and all and the frameworks and stuff, and it shows you what is it. Stack Overflow survey. So the Stack Overflow survey that is pretty great. Here, let me just link it. And you can basically figure out whether or not your framework is just more popular. That doesn't mean it's better or easier to learn, but it can sometimes give you an idea of where to look. So React has a 40%, like it's used by developers a lot more. Look at that Node. Of course, Node is used more. It's weird. React used to not be a framework. They used to call it like it's a library, but now it's like got components and stuff. So Josh! Hey friend, how are you doing? Floff, do you have a sound? Did you get a sound when you came in? No, popularity is not what makes something valuable, but for sure you can get more jobs with, it depends too. Like people say like learning PHP or Java are not worth anything anymore, but you can absolutely get a job in Java or PHP. So it's like silly to listen to what people say. So, but Angular's right here. I mean, like it's probably used by a lot of places. And look at this jQuery. Look at you plugging along. jQuery, also a library, not a framework. These must be like, why are they calling these frameworks? Is jQuery a framework? Has jQuery ever been a framework? Like what? Grey Hatter, come on. It's not. We don't do that here. PHP is not a dead language, but it is used less. But you can still get it. It's old, but there's still, I mean, it's not a dead language. It's still used a lot. Are you being sarcastic? You're trolling? Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did not say dead.
Jujule it.
All right.
Very
I think
old.
it's Google. Oh, here we go.
It's Jujule.
Okay.
Jujule. I know, right? Is jQuery a framework? Like, no, it's a library. Nobody has ever considered jQuery a framework, right? What language is Facebook? Python? PHP? It's not PHP, is it? Google? Go. I think Google is, I don't know what Google is actually. Is it PHP for real? All right, I'll Jujule it. Is it PHP? Oh. Hey! Usually lit. Hello. How are you doing? A lot. Brown. PHP is dead. Hey, Pseudo, how you doing? So loud. I turned my sound up today because I did a no reason to learn it. I got you. No, PHP is not dead. We're learning HTML? Hell yeah, do it. Visual is a mix of C++, Java, and Go mostly. Oh, that's cool. Although they basically rebuilt the PHP engine from scratch. Oh, cool. Anyway, you can pick either of these. I would say React isn't my favorite beginner framework to learn, but then again, neither is Angular. Like I come down here and nope, it's not even here. Laravel, baby, hanging on in there. WordPress is a framework? What is this? I don't understand. Are these like respondents who are like, and technologies? Oh, okay. It says and technologies. Yeah, learn a programming language and then my mic gain is a little low. All right. Or high? No, Benson, it's not my gain. It's my voice is scratchy because I have allergies. That's what it is. That's why I'm raspy. How do I fix a low gain? Do I just bring down my decibels? I don't want to do all that. I pulled it off. I lifted it up a little bit. Am I bothering everybody? Do you want me to speak with my more feminine voice? That hurts so bad. Don't make me do that. Barn animal, do not start. Do not start. I can do a little bit of I can just speak a little quieter. And then my gain won't be off anymore. You can all be happy with my voice. Probably not gonna last. Hey, sausage shaped earth. All right, now let's talk about this. Let's get out of here. Okay, so now we have our server and we can go ahead and look at Benson.
That's a nice round number.
I know. Thanks for the resub. You too, Fluff, by the way. I appreciate both of you. We should just not code. Josh gave up coding, but Josh's code is awesome. It's all fun and designy and mathy. I love Josh's code. All right. So today we're just going to work on my portfolio. I'm going to see how much of it I can get done because I really want to put it. I'm so sorry, everybody. Close this. And we're going to go ahead and Excalidraw. All right. This is me trying to buy you back the love that you had. All right. So this is my website right now. This is just the 4 pages that I want to work on. I don't even know what this is, this last one, but this is what I want to start with anyway. So we're just going to work on this page. I need to touch more grass. Absolutely. We all do, though. Brennan Miller. You know what I was thinking of doing today? Making veggie sushi. Would you guys watch me make vegetable sushi? I think, all right, and this is real. I'm going to go ahead and announce this because it'll make me start working on it. But I'm having a subathon. Let me open a calendar. Sorry for the gain. Calendar. Images. Let's just look. All right, so in July, I know it's a long way away. July 24. Let's see. So I'm going away. That should be good. I'm going away, and then I think the 22nd, I'm pretty sure it's the 22nd or the 29th. Actually, I can figure this out really, really quickly. So I can tell you, but I'm going to do a subathon, meaning like depending on how many people sub to me, I'll like increase the stream length. So if it gets to it, like I will sleep like right there on a cot for the entire, like for as long as people like sub or gift sub or whatever, and we'll make like a schedule for how much. And it's not really like, it's just fun. I've kind of wanted to do a subathon for a while. So if it lasts like 5 hours, then that's fine, and if it lasts 5 days, then that's fine too. So I'm going to, okay. All right. So I will be back the 29th, meaning that my subathon could go all the way into August 4th, but I doubt I'll get a whole week of subathon in. So, but I just want to let you all know that I'm doing a subathon in July, the end of July. Should be really fun. Okay. As long as I don't have like an amazing job that I can't leave or something like that. But I'm hoping it's going to be a blast. All right. Across today. Can I roll sushi into rolls? Yes, I can roll sushi into rolls. That is what I was going to do, Fluff. I was going to roll, but I'll roll sushi during my subathon. That's why I thought about it. How long is a sub? I don't know yet. It could be, I don't know. It depends. I think I have to like estimate how many subs I'll get. And then it's usually like 15 to 20 minutes. So like per sub. So I think it'll be something like that. And it will probably like you know, be modified middle of the week if it's like if I'm going that long, because I can only go to the 4th. But I don't think I'll make it to the 4th of August. That would be insane. Like next level. I would be so surprised. It'd be fun, but all right, so I'm gonna put this down here so we have a picture of what I want to do with the site, and we'll make it small so we know. Put this down here. You always mess up rolling sushi. I do too. The hardest part about rolling sushi for me is cutting it, honestly. It's not really making it and rolling it. That's fine, but cutting it is really tough. And so actually the last time I made it, I cut it and it fell apart. And so we got a new knife. Like I just got a totally new knife. That's sharper and should go right through it. So I'm really excited to try it again. And I think I'm going to make sushi tonight. So maybe I'll stream it on Discord later or something. I don't know. It depends on how tired I am or whatever. So let's, so I want index.html. So I'm going to nvim. Am I using newvim or vim? I can't even remember. It kind of doesn't matter. It looks like NeoVim is set up. So this isn't great. So I got to get a CSS file in here because I know this doesn't look great right now. Right now this is boring. This is just for my portfolio, everybody. So we can talk about sushi and other things today while I code and hang out because it's not going to be any big thing. Oh yeah, Fluff. How was Japan? Did I tell you I was learning Japanese? Add vinegar to the rice? Oh, cool. That's cool. I have a rice cooker and I soak my rice, my sushi rice for a really long time before I cook it, and it makes it like so sticky that I can't even touch it. Really have to use like I have to use like a spatula and just kind of go with it. But it's really tough. A whetstone. I already have a whetstone, bad developer. No worries. I do not I already have one. Japanese sounds like it's hard, but everyone tells me becoming conversational isn't very hard, but reading is impossible. That's funny because I'm finding that it's almost easier for me to read. Look at this silly bad website, and then none of the images. So funny. Right, we gotta fix it. Take me to your yeah. Jackson, I missed you. I'm glad you're here. How you been? I've already plunged. Yep, yep. Old Sloppy does a lot of the. Yeah, I'll go. Nothing. We're just talking about sushi. I'm gonna roll some sushi. I'm having a subathon in July on the 29th, I think it starts. Let me just double check that. June, July. Yep, starts on the 29th. Maybe even the night of the 28th, but I'm not sure yet because we're coming back from a trip then. All right. So this should be able to. I don't know why that's not working. Why isn't that working? Like, shouldn't this take? It's not even here. Oh, probably because I didn't. Oh, it is, but it's not. It's like down here somewhere. Oh, it's down here. I see. Instagram, Twitch, Twitter. There's my Twitter. Okay. All right. So they do work, but they don't have any images, which is why it's broken. And then GitHub, of course, is ginormous. All right. Let's see what we want to do with these. All right. And so. What's the best way to add like a dark mode to, I guess I don't want to do that right now. I'm just going to make the background black. So I need to add CSS. So let's get out of here. Okay. So yeah, subathon should be super fun, and I'm really excited about that. And then more Japanese in like 8 hours, trying to speak to a 4-year-old from my adoptive family than everyone else in the entire trip. I feel you there, Fluff. Like, well, they're going to talk to you the best too. And of course, they have a similar language composition, you know? I'm into you. Can't even sing right now. I can speak Duolingo Japanese unit 1. And I think it's easier to read, honestly. And he's 4, so I need to learn how to say watch out. Good job. Oh, that's awesome. That's so funny. So what I learned today from an improv friend who is Japanese is that you don't say quiet, you don't say shizuka, you say urasai. Like you say you're being noisy in setting that's like that's saying shut up. Like urasai is shut up instead of shizuka, which I think is really interesting. And we actually chatted about it a little, like how weird that is. Can I read kanji? I cannot read kanji. I can read hiragana and but mostly I can read everything in hiragana. Hiragana. Um and I've started learning katakana. But well, that's not true. There's the basic stuff in hiragana I can read. But I can read it and say it. I can't like I don't know the words attached to everything, but I can pronounce everything. So I guess I can't really read it, but I can pronounce everything. What are we doing? I'm working on my like website, which looks like not great right now. So I just have to like put it together, add some CSS, like get this Git picture to be so much smaller than it is. This is all just mostly we're just hanging out today while I do a little coding to make my portfolio say better so that when I add it to resumes and stuff, it's better looking. Um, and honestly, like just being able to like practice Vim is really nice. So, all right, so I want to make sure I've got a style sheet. Oh, styles. I called it styles, so I need to call it the right thing. So what I do, is it copy style to styles CSS? Or is it move? I think I need to move it. So let's move. Yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna neovim into styles. There we go. We'll just start CSSing. I should split the window. Let me see if I can remember how to do this. It's like, it's a good song. Oops, I just wrote. Oopsies, that's not what I wanted to do. Does anybody remember how to do the window? I do. I'll just look it up. It's like split window. Then never make a change. Control W or split. I'll do it this way. All right, I don't like it, but can I do it side by side? Okay, so I need to, that should do one of them, and then we'll do V split. Thank you. And then we don't, which one am I in? Okay, and then if I do X, I should never make a change. All right, and then let's go. Is there a like keyboard way to switch windows? I did V split, so. You didn't kill chat? No way. No way. And you know what? Like not everybody wants to talk. Most people just want to listen to me and my low gains. I really want to work out on stream too. I just haven't been, and I'm bummed about it. It's like I want to do some squats, y'all. And I just haven't been able to motivate myself to take you on a 10K. You want to run a marathon in August? I'll do that. I would take you on a 10K easy. Easy. Now I can say that. Now I can say that. After my half marathon, I feel like 6 miles ain't nothing. Yeah, no problem, Fluff. I got you. 6 miles is like, psh. All right. All of this will go away. So first of all, what the hell happened? I didn't start inserting, that's what happened. So, go away. Do my beautiful Castillo. 6, is it 5? 6, 6. Of course, it's a hex code, silly girl. And then do I have to do... Does this automatically update, or do I have to restart the server when I... It should be quick, right? But I can't remember. Oh, nice, Fluff. Bubbles in the chat for Fluff. Woo, buddy! I forget I'm all too, bad developer. Just hang out. Like, that's what we gotta. Oh, I didn't write it yet. That's why, because I haven't written anything. Does it almost feel like... There we go. Lovely. Awesome. And then, okay. And then I want color to be white for now, though that is not going to change. And I don't think I want anything else yet. There we go. It's a little better. Look at GitHub, such a... it's so bad. I bought brand new shoes 3 days before going. Oh no. Blisters. That's so hard. And no, it's not TMI, whatever. If we have health, I mean, yes, like, I suppose there's a bit of like health information that you don't want to put into Twitch chat. I think blisters is okay. I feel like the line is at like, okay, maybe just, don't talk about what you would only talk about in a doctor's office, but like blisters, not so scary. All right, so we've got... I need some margins, some good margins. What are the usual margins for like a good... Darkness from above. But if you close your eyes... I'm just gonna do base CSS. No tailwind or anything. It's fine. I don't really want to. I just like... I guess we don't want to do this yet. Oh, thanks for the follow, BitCrave. All right, let's go ahead and I need a circular image frame. I can do later. Oh, let's do the container. So I want it to default. I wish this did... Right. I wish this had like a language model attached to it. I know any of them has a lot of them, but... Oh, that is interesting. So I have definitely gotten blisters before, but... That's what happens when you like wear heels all the time too. So, all right. So what do I don't? I just want to make sure the margin, sorry. Wait, I can do, gotta remember all of my, there we go. So the dollar sign is the thing I was messing up there for. Okay, so margin auto. And then there's always something I forget. It's like something, and then margin auto will center everything. I use Flexbox so much that like I feel like just average centering I always forget. I also need a font family, which I'm not gonna worry about right now. Align text. I think I need Flex for this. DNS exfiltration. No thanks, not right now. It's not bad fluff. I mean, I've had a lot of people help me, but like once you get into it, it's like it's just up and down arrows is a lot of it, and then like insert and escape when you first start using it, and then like DD deletes a line and then delete n word and change n word. There are just a couple things that are like pretty excuse me guys, just pretty natural, I think, once you get used to it. Experts at Vim is like, I don't know, whatever. I just use it because it's like I sort of like the way it looks, and I know that it's highly. You can't even exit Vim, just escape, quit. That's all you have to do. Right. That's right. Spretzatzerai. I feel like that's true. Although I took a lot longer than a week, but I took a lot of more suffering than just a week. But I'm gonna mess up all my CSS, you guys. So like, don't judge me, or judge me. It doesn't really matter. I love myself, so. I don't want to type a command. What happened here? Interesting. That's interesting. Hold on. There we go. I don't think this is gonna work. There's another way to do this, and I can't. Whoa, Bubbles! Hey, old Slappy. Using Vim for a little over a week. Oh, really? Bubbles! This is day 3. I don't know if that's true, Grey Hatter, but sure, yeah. Bubbles! Thanks for the IRL, Bubbles. I'm gonna cheat and just text align. Oh, I did it backwards. That's what it is. It's text align, not align text. Silly girl. Silly girl. Okay, so like I could do, if I do change in word or I do delete in word. Let's just do delete to, no, it doesn't work like that. Delete is different than change. Like if I did change to CT, then the dash, okay, then that changes everything. But if I just delete there, that's fine. And I just do align. So I changed in word even though I didn't really need to at that time, but just to give it as an example. There we go. That looks so silly. She wouldn't listen. I don't think. Okay, so I think these need. So the banner should be, I need a picture and I need to make it circular. Gone away. Sorry, I cannot sing, but I'm going to do it anyway. Right shift P. DIW right shift P. All right. Does the right shift matter? Thanks for the follow, bad developer. Oh, hey, you're hanging out. Learned very basics years ago, never moved past that. One day I'll get back to it. Just want to learn other things. Hell yeah. Heck yeah, friend. And thank you for the follow. I'm so glad you're sticking around. Won't go home without you. I used to have to SSH into servers in an AWS before my company grew a lot. Now we have a dedicated DevOps team. Nice, Fluff. I hope that happens to my company. Nano? Nice. Nano is not Vim, but I'm not a fan. Anytime I got stuck in Nano, I was always terrified. Plan for breaking 3,000 followers? What's my plan? Wait, what is it? Can you remind me? Is it a July 29th subathon, Old Sloppy? What is my 3,000 followers plan? I don't even know. Oh, that means Old Sloppy did something for 3,000 followers that I don't know about it. That's what it is. Buys all the new cars. All right, so container, let's just work on the banner for a little while, make that all pretty. It feels good to just be writing code. I get so happy when I actually do stuff on stream, especially if I'm able to talk during it, because that means it's like kind of part of my brain. Oh, you don't have anything? Oh, changing the follower goal. I kind of want the follower goal to be 5,000 and just make it like a long climb, you know? It's the climb. You get a new car. I wish I had the money to do that, Fluff. 69.69. Give me one more chance to make it right. 3,003. That's hilarious, Fluff. Oh, 42 first, yeah. A fugue state. I don't even know what that is. Make it through. All right, so for the banner, we want to do the same thing. Text align center. Margin auto. Shoot. Jeez Louise. It's weird to not be writing Python LeetCode or JavaScript. It's very weird to just be writing like CSS. It's crazy. Not just to be writing CSS. Hey, you, the next time someone gives me a hydrate, I'm going to go get some tea and take a small break. So I would love that from any of you if you've got some points. Now, you don't have to. There's no pressure. I know we're saving up for a 10,000 word ban, but I would love some hydration. All right, so now we have the banner, but I actually don't want it to be. So I need. Aw, Brando. You guys, Brando's new too. Brando, you rock. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I'm going to grab a quick break and make some tea because my throat is bugging me. And then I'm going to eat. I don't know if I'm going to eat this toffee cookie. I actually might put it back, but it smells amazing. So, but I don't want to eat it. You ever get that? Like, I don't want to eat the toffee cookie. The pumped up kicks. All right, I'm going to go get some tea. Maybe I'll have the cookie. Maybe I'll bring a knife to do like the mom thing, you know, like the cutting cookies into what is it called? Quarters. All right. BRB. You guys want a BRB chat square, or you just want to look at my code? I don't think it matters. Let's do a BRB with Cam. Okay, I'm going to turn off the sound. Be right back. Ew. That's not intimidating at all. Oh, knives. Knives. Do I eat the toffee cookie? I don't really know. I don't know. I'm going to wait. I'm not sure yet. All the other kids with the pumped up kids. That's not playing anymore, is it? Okay. Let's do more code. Let's do so much code. Let's do so much code today. I get sick of it. That's not what I want to do. So much CSS that we're like tired of looking at CSS. All right, I think what I decided while I was upstairs, because when you walk away from things, it's a good thing, and it took me like a long time to learn that. You can guess how many years it took me to learn that. That would be fun. But I think I'm going to put a flex box in here. And I think I'm going to align text, justify. Justify content, space between. And basically, so the banner will be a flex. And then I want the circular image frame. And who am I? So we see how this is set up. So the image frame is first, and there's a who am I. So who am I and title Chrissy Codes are actually going to be, I think I want each one first. Let's see. How do I do? Oh, hold on. Add me insert. Did that save? Did. Okay, good. I think I'm just going to do an inverse flexbox there. And I'm going to call this, I'm going to divide this into something else. So it's going to be div. You guys can't see that code, can you? Not that it matters. We're all just doing our own work at this point, right? All right, we're going to move this over to TAD. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to create a div that basically separates this info. So it's like, I'm just going to say about me. And I'm just going to call it class equals text column. This is not good UX design or UI design, by the way. You want to make sure that each of these is component based. Once I really like UX, user experience, but I really like the career, like the idea of the career at least. But then once I got into like, I mean, I do care about the like amount of space around a button. And it does mean something, but I don't think I could hyper focus on that. So I'm not as interested in it as I used to be. Thanks, Ghost. How you doing? I like it too. I could do better though. Let's build it up, you know? Well, we got to keep learning about Vim and then all right, so banner is good and then inside that we're going to have it's flex, so we want so first of all, everything in it should be where did I put about me? It's right there. I didn't put the end of the div. Okay, and then does anybody have the quick? I'll take it from anybody. Does anybody have the quick switching windows in Vim? Like if I want to switch to the right window or the left window, I just need the quick thing for it because I keep like clicking and I don't like that. It's weird. Like when you stop using a mouse, I use keyboard. Oh, it is okay. Is that because you did it? Did that work? That did not work for me. Oh, hold on. Let me escape first and then do this. Nope, that's not. It's not working for me. Nah, it's okay. No big deal. Control plus W. All right, so let's escape. Control W. That didn't do anything. Control W H. Control W then H. That didn't work either, Benson. Maybe I need to or Control W I. No identifier under cursor. Is that L? Oh, Control W L. That worked. Thank you. So Control W right. Oh, that's weird. What the hell happened there? What did I just do? What did I just do? Oh no. Well, I figured out how to do that. That's funny. So I can switch them. Switch, Control W says you want to switch. Then you say which direction. So if I want to do Control W L and then another Control W L, that doesn't do anything. Okay, so if I went, but if I do Control W R, it moves the entire window over. So that's weird. Okay, cool. Yeah, I get it. Control WJ or Control WL. Control WJ. Hold on, let me just. No identifier under cursor. So Control WL. Says no identifier under cursor. That's so weird. All right, I'm just gonna do more than just a dream. All right, so let's check this out. So this is flex, space between, align center. This probably doesn't stay in here anymore. Then I do. So this actually should make it so that they're in a row. So I need actually a flex direction, and then I'm good to go. I do flex direction. Actually, let's switch it to margin. Flex direction. And we're going to make that row. And we're going to write. And then we're going to see how that came out. Okay, that's weird. All right, so my banner, display flex, space between, flex direction row, margin auto. Something's funky here. Let's go ahead and do justify content. Let's do center instead. Oops, I didn't say to do that. There we go. Actually, let's undo that. And we're just gonna do how do I just want to do the whole. There we go. I should have done the whole thing. Justify content center. That should work. Silly girl. There we go. That's better. That's not how I want it though. But I think I have to get the circular image in there first. This also looks terrible. I think I'm going to resize this. So GitHub. Oh, also GitHub doesn't have a end. What just happened? It's fine. That means that I didn't have that for any of them. Yeah, because I copied this a bunch. So what's everybody working on tonight? What are you working and lurking on? I also have to, I have to do, oh my God. No. It does. The one thing about um, Vim that you have to get used to is escaping. Wait, if I did this, I can do this again. There's a way to repeat what I just did, right? But on this line, I forgot how to do it. It's time to begin. Fine. Oops, did it again. All right, good. All right, we're in good shape now. Making a basic site for a family member could just use WordPress. No, that's awesome, Bad Developer. I think that's great. Yeah. I wouldn't use a content management system, especially Bubbles. What's up, Coder? How you doing? I wouldn't use a content management system unless it was like something they had to maintain. But if you're learning, that's awesome. SvelteKit. Josh knows a little bit about Svelte, but doesn't code anymore. So, how you doing, Coder? You ready for TwitchCon 2024? I did not buy my tickets yet, but I got to. Okay. We need to do, what is this? Do you see this S here? Like, why does this have to look so bad? And is there a N to the A tag here? Yeah, I see it. But what is even happening? Like, what is wrong with text wrapping? So terrible. I know, it's awful. Look at this. Whatever. Whatever. What are you going to do? Hey, how you doing, Junior? How you doing? Coder, thank you for the resub, by the way. 19 months. Can you believe we've been friends that long? Fluff has been here for 21. And let's see. Benson, 16. Benson, yo. How did time do that? I feel like there was like a period of time where you popped in, subbed, and then like didn't talk as much. But then like in the last like 6 months, I feel like we've talked like every day. Coder, what are you coding tonight? What are you up to? All right, let's cool. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, Junior. I love that. It's a lot of hard work. It can be exhausting to like reset your configs. How'd you do what? How did 16 months go by? Like since you've started, subbing. Like how did that happen? Like what? Haven't worked in a week, been sick. Oh, buddy. I'm sorry. That sucks. That must like hurt your workaholic nature. Not that I don't think it's good for you to have a break. I absolutely do. I do not encourage workaholism, but I'm sure you're having a hard time. It's very strange, isn't it? I feel like I'm not any older than when I started streaming. Though I wonder if I look older. I do wear less makeup now, a lot less makeup. It's probably not real. The passage of time is, yeah, no, absolutely not. There is only now. There is only now. I don't encourage work. I don't encourage it. I don't encourage it. That doesn't mean I don't experience it. I know, it's weird. Do you want old CC back? I lead by example. I don't work a hall anymore. Too much. Okay. Where was I? I was trying to. I think I want to make the socials link smaller. But I shouldn't do this. Let me think about this. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Let's make container flex. And then we're going to have these be. Okay. Don't like that. There we go. Can I ask what's the big approach for you to solo learn? Junior, well, initially I started in a university. I was taking computer information systems, and they had a web dev class. Well, Benson, I like that advice, but got really discouraged writing Soapbox because what I wanted to do was above my skill set. Um, so like I think find a project that you're passionate about. It's really, really tough to break it down in a way that's like, what's the next thing to learn? It is why I got discouraged, I think. I think it's one of the reasons. No? Was it my confidence level? Okay, Grey Hatter knows me, but hold on. Grey Hatter is my like cricket conjure, like Jiminy Cricket. So apparently just listen to him. He knows me better than I do, of course. So divide and conquer is super hard. Yeah. Right. So Junior, what I would do is I would start with um if you can think of like a pet project, something small, something that has 3 steps. That's like, well, I need to this first, which is like write a CSS and HTML or something like that. I wouldn't say that. I don't know, like bring a cool project here and we'll break it down for you. I would love to do that with the chat. And yeah, absolutely. If you can find a community that supports you and dive in. But if you want to ever bring a project that you're thinking of doing that you don't know how to break down or whatever, like bring it here and we'll help you think through it. Also solo learning. I mean, I don't know if I'm the best example of this because I tackle things hard. Um, and I don't mean I tackle hard things. I tackle things like in a way that is like not sustainable. So find a language you like. Python is a good one. Go is a good one. Zig is a good one. Elm is brand new. Just find something, even JavaScript, and write a couple lines in it and try to understand what they're doing. I mean, when I did solo learning, I basically went to, all right, here's the advice I give everybody. Okay, so use this. So roadmap.sh. So roadmaps is a really great tool, helps you focus on what you should learn next. Yeah. Yeah. Python and learning the basics and how everything works. Barely learning sometimes can be like, ugh, I feel you there. Yeah, when you're doing videos like that, it's okay to copy paste, although I wouldn't copy paste, I would follower goal. I knew it, Old Sloppy. Old Sloppy did do a thing. Woohoo! Thanks, you guys. Thanks for getting me my 3,000 follower goal. I'm so excited. Next goal is 5. We're gonna get to 5. Okay, so when you're doing those, I wouldn't copy pasta them. Depending on how long they are, I would type them out yourself. I know. And then type them out yourself. And then when you're typing them out, change stuff and run it. And I think that is the best way to sort of dig into like what's happening and analyze it and be like, okay, what the hell is different and why? Like change numbers, change orders of the function. Like if they have something going first and then second, like change the order. Try to do it in a not on your own computer, in case you know run. But you can cancel, just as long as you learn how to cancel a script, you're good, especially in Python. Just do Control C or Control D. But yeah, I think playing with code is probably the best way to start, and then pick a project, a small project that you really want, and that's going to teach you the most. And then pick a bigger project and do that, and then pick a bigger project and do that. That's how I would do it. But hey, Zion Bear, hey Bay, how you doing? Yeah, of course it was Gray Hatter. Melt like butter, butter. How you doing? I love this song. Effigy of an Avatar and Melt Like Butter. Thank you so much for the follows. Just do it and then do it more. Yeah. So roadmap is great because it gives you an idea of what you should be learning at what time and how it helps. Ooh, SEO basics. What is HTTP is a really important one. How does the internet work is interesting because I think that when I first started learning, I feel like how does the internet work should be lower because there's so many there's so much complexity there and you don't really understand until you start. Oh, X by Y. Yeah. Learn X in Y minutes is a great learn X in Y minutes. Python. This is a great site too. So this gets you there. I like this site a lot. It gives you like short breakdowns. No front end dead knows how the internet works. Yeah, right? Oh man, yo. I actually should probably touch on this one, learn about APIs. I feel like this isn't going to tell me enough though. I started to. You can see my purple check marks. But I feel like this doesn't tell me enough. I want cross-site stuff. I want security. I want like more about enterprise APIs and why they should be shaped the way they are. Although relational databases, going to learn about APIs is really good. It's a really good transition. Version control systems, you should probably learn this super early, but yeah. I don't know. I like roadmaps a lot. How does the internet work? Are you going to really make me answer this question? Hello, guys. I'm a junior developer, but help me. How can I write my own code? Like, I worked on a lot of projects, but I can't write my own. I just Google and try to solve the problem. How can I write my own code? You open an IDE or a Vim and you start, or open up, it depends on what language you're learning in. How does don't, like, Benson, I can't answer those questions like in front of everybody because I'm too anxious to get it wrong. The internet is not a dump truck. It's a series of tubes. Yeah. It's a whole bunch of queries and packages. Basically, your computer sends a message to your Wi-Fi router, which sends a message which gets wrapped in a package, and then that gets sent out, and then that gets wrapped in a package, and then gets sent out. Goes to your DNS server, and your DNS server is, who are you fucking asking? And then your DNS server is like, oh, I know who you're asking. I'm going to send it to them. And it gets wrapped in a package and sent forward. and then and then it goes to the proper server. Yes, exactly. And then Santa comes down a chimney. No, and then your request gets run on that server, and it takes however amount of time. Or I guess it depends, right? Because you could have everything cached and the internet still, well, that's not really the internet, but, and then there's it depends on which part of the internet you're talking about. That's just queries, right? Like, that's not even the right answer. That's just how I get stuff to my computer. Here you go. Oh yeah, network is a group of computers. I should have said that. It's just more than one computer talking to itself. So much. Oh, packet. Look, I started with the smallest unit. Look at me. I should have said packet, not package. Same difference. Whatever. Anyway. All right, let's get out of here. So if you want to write code, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube's great. What else? Just try shit. Or follow along here. I'm writing CSS. Sigrelic. Wow. Is this your first month? And I get your Prime? Thank you so much. That means so much to me. I appreciate you. That's so great, y'all. Like, everybody gets one Prime sub, and I get Sigrelic's Prime sub, and that makes me feel really happy. Woohoo! Taking Bezos down one Prime sub at a time. This takes you back to university. Yeah, I haven't written code in a while, so let's let Chrissy shut up for a second and write some code. So I think I want to give image a class of socials image. So let's see how to do this in Vim, y'all, because we have a lot of images, right? And right now they're all socials images. So so we just want to give them a class so that they're all the same size. So we're gonna do this a Vim way. How do we do this? So if I go to this first image, actually I shouldn't have even done that, all right? So if I do search, let's see, search, I always forget. So if I do /image, then I get all of them. I don't want to replace them. So if I wanted to replace them, I think I could do this, right? No, that's only if I do the search. So then this will give me each one. And then after that, let's see, if I want to add a class after it, I could do, hold on, let's back this up. We're going to do a, since I'm doing it with every image that's there, I can do the whole page. Right. And then I want to replace it with image space class with an equals. Hey, sweetie, how you doing? I got a kitty cat who is blocking my keyboard. That's okay. I should be able to do this. It's the equal signs that get me. Nope, see? equals, then we're going to do socials, space, image, close, and then we're done. And then we're going to escape. Oh, we're not inserting. Well, we'll escape to get it out of there anyway. Oh, if you escape, it doesn't stay. So hold on, I think that was silly. So if I do this and then I press up, there we go. Okay, awesome. Press enter and that will permanently keep everything. And now we'll go back to the CSS and just make the socials images the same size. Which I don't know. I'll do height. Let's just do for now 50 pixels. I don't know what that's going to look like, but and then we'll do width auto. I'm not sure I want to do this way, but we'll see. Probably width should be the thing that I have to find. But let's go ahead and rate this, check out what it did. It should have at least made this stupid little GitHub thing smaller. I don't have it. It did not mess that up. That's because I didn't write the CSS file. So hold on, let's do that. Socials link or socials image? Why did I do that? Okay, now we have to do this. And we're gonna do, actually, let's just do change in word, image. There we go, escape, right. Then I wanna control WL, right that should be good. Now when I refresh, yay, my GitHub is real size. The white space is super triggering. Not really. I really want to code. I mean, in a way I do. Like in a way I really do, but in another way I just want to code. Yeah, I just want to keep going. I feel good about progress, but I do feel you on the white space. It's awful. So, do I want to commit? Yeah, I could, I guess. So if I do this and then I was going to command in here, but I actually don't know. Yeah. Do I do the bang without the colon? No, negative on that. That's not what happened. Press enter or type command. It's weird. Oh, seriously? No, I don't understand. It's weird. Damn it. It's a little bit, I'm a little slow at this. I don't really want to do this. Yeah, I'd rather just do it in the shell. Okay. So if I was like, there's no right since last change for some reason. So if I did, but even if I pressed exclamation point, like I can't do multiple commands in the shell. Hold on, let me see if I can do this. I have been writing my file the whole time. I am looking at the bottom bar. Okay. I don't think I have I don't think I have it. I mean, it doesn't really matter right now, but oh right. It's gonna get so mad. Output is not to a terminal. Input is not from an well, that's interesting. Can't open file. Interesting. I know. Okay. I figured that. I actually thought like I wonder if I can because I was like it's gonna like how would it open Vim? Okay. I got stuck. All right, so now I'm stuck. Should I shut my terminal down? I can't press escape. Nope. Nope. Nothing. I think I just have to shut my terminal down. Okay. How's everybody doing? Sorry, I'm quieter now. I'm trying to do a. This is why I don't like doing configs during stream. It's like takes just too much. Like to me, like not fun stuff. I mean, I think it's fun to learn on my own. Oh, all right. This one, I love that it's nano. Is this nano? All right, and then F10. No, not F9. F9. Scary. Okay, signal hanging up. Okay, cool. All right, so now we're going to escape. Right. Now we're going to do command. Oops. Great. Cool. How the hell do I get rid of this? Okay. I don't want hello world. I don't think. Oh, I forgot my colon. I don't think I can push from here right now, though. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. This is so bad. All right, so this is what it looks like now. My GitHub is little. And task manager, vibrator, and artworks is actually what I want, but I think I want to do space around instead of space between. So row, justify content center. And that is not what I thought it was doing. Let's see. Container, flex, row, space between. So this is what I want to do. So I want to do change in word here. Nope. Let's just do change to semicolon. There we go. Oh no, sorry, do you need your... Okay. Excuse me, everybody, I'm so sorry. I'm coughing so much. And right in your face, too. Right. All right, so what I'm going to do next is actually, I'm going to do a transfer. Let's see this. Okay, so I'm going to do a file transfer from, I guess I don't have to. This is interesting. Okay, let me talk through what I want to do, and then I probably need a little help with this. But I'm going to try to talk through it. So, okay. So what I want to do is, I want to take an image, and put it on the server, and then I want to create a circle around it. I'll probably just use my Chrissy Codes image first. But the best way to get it onto the server is with a file transfer or something, right? Like an SSHFTS or something. But there's like an easy one. I'm not. Okay. You went SCP? Okay, no SCP. What should I do instead? I have to honestly have to find the photo first. Animations, proposed file, songified, channel point, pick, emotes, subpatches. Hmm. Why isn't this previewing for me? Hmm. Right. No voice today. In media. It's not in media. I don't know. I guess I could just download it from Twitch. That's the one I want anyway. Could at least figure out what it was called. Trying to find how to get my picture. Okay. All right, here, we'll just do this. Not the best way to do this. But... All right. Okay. Thanks, Algo. Sorry, it was very quiet. Yeah, I'm trying to put a file on my server now. So I just had to get the file onto my computer first because it wasn't on my computer. So I'm trying to get like my Twitch. It is now. Truck I need. Cyan Bear? Cyan Bear does a lot of cool stuff. All right, so what do I want to do? So I could move the file. So if I did, because right now they're connected. So couldn't I technically move it or copy it into here? I think. Why not? I'd have to do. Yeah, it's not impossible, but I'm trying to think of literally impossible. So, I'm trying to think. So I would take the path name. What? But yeah, but I have to name the file from the path, right? So I'd have to I have to know the path, which I'm really shitty at doing. So if I do, no, actually I can't do this. It's on a different drive. But let's go ahead and put it on the desktop. All right. So if we did Coda right now, I'm trying to move a file from my desktop to here. But I have to go like I'd have to go. Hold on. Like I'd have to know the whole path. Hold on. And I don't. I don't do it with the path name. I mean, I could actually do it really easy. Yes, where my Windows files are mounted. Not there. This is different. Okay, so this is different than, no. Why is that unfortunate? Why is that unfortunate? I don't, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna look it up unless you want to help me or whatever. Oh, right. WSL. I'm in WSL. So, um, you should code now. Rocks. Looks like I can use Windows directory, which I don't. First, copy the file from the WSL distribution. I want to go the other way. Okay. What's up? Why do I need to ask for a hint? Oh, because you said want a hint and I didn't say anything. That's why. Sure. I mean, I'll take a hint or you can just like tell me how to do it because I don't need to figure this out myself. Got it. Ugh, I still don't want to do this. Okay. All right. Hit tab again. Why? I personally had luck just finding files directly in the file system. Could be me though. Directly in the file system? I don't know what that means. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, probably. Um do I need the dot? I probably do. Can't rename. Hold on. That doesn't seem right. Oh, that's not right. Right, I forgot. Silly me. Silly me, I knew that. Hey, meme. Clear Bams, how you doing? My throat's getting worse, guys. Which is stupid because it's dark outside, so that means I should have no allergies. I should only have allergies when the sun is out, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna have a piece of toffee cookie. Or am I not? I don't know. The toffee cookie's just sitting there and I kind of want to bite. I know, wouldn't it be nice? I'm gonna have a bite anyway. Doesn't matter. You're gonna find yourself some. Smells so good. This is the best smelling cookie ever. Seriously. So good. Best cookie ever. All right. All right, so let's get this image, which is right here. I wanted the whole thing. It's weird because it didn't do that before. All right, so this, when I write this, should have my, I'll quit, just write it, and then we'll go, it should be here now, my face. It's not. Why? Because it needs a forward slash. Pity for pity's sake. Right, does it need a forward slash? Xmetrics. Records. Can't sing anything. What am I messing up here? Is that not what it's called? Did I mess that up? Did I Hold on, let me see. I hope you get your dreams. Still no. Uh-huh. Should put it in images. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping in my bed. Will that work? Is this gonna work? I'm a little nervous about this. Okay. It means home. It means no, it doesn't mean here. It means down. It means down. Into. So if I did up, it would be primary working directory. Home is a directory. Root directory. Okay. Oh, nope. Oops. That was stupid. That probably broke. I think I broke it. Maybe not. It's okay, I can fix it. But why does this have a because it's the root folder that shares both of these. It's the root of these two. Okay, I got it. Oh, good to know. Okay. I think yeah, you're right. I don't know why I had href there. Because it links to something. That's why. Because they link to something. My A tags. and my image, but that one wasn't right, but the rest of them are right. This one doesn't link to anything. So, but thank you for the reminder, Arker. Okay. So this should broken. It's broken because I saved it wrong. So maybe I have to do it again. I moved it. That means I have to download it again, which is stupid. No, I copied it. Cool. What's up? Did I mess it up? Sorry, I'm sorry. It moves. What? I know. Hey? Whoops. All right, cool. Thanks. All right, sweet. That's so small. I don't want that. It's not delete two. It's I can't do delete two, right? I need to do delete 3 words. There we go. I didn't pick the right amount of words, but that's fine. All right, cool. Awesome. So that should be better, much bigger. And then we want to make that another class. So we may only have tonight till the morning sun. You're mine, All right. So now what I want to do is do a border radius of 50%. Hopefully this doesn't make it too small. That didn't work at all because I didn't write it. You have no life. Great. There we go. And I can do, let's see if I could do a border. All your tears will dry. A 3 stream streak? Oh, the wooden. Okay. I don't know. I think you can just pop in. Doesn't necessarily mean you don't have a life, but certainly a very nice thing to say. Hey, Alan. How you doing? I'm just doing a profile website so that I can put it on my. Let's just do so that I can put it on my. I keep forgetting to write. It's fine, same difference. So that I can put it on my resume because I want to start applying for DevRel jobs. I need solid. I forgot about that. Let's do 4 pixels. Okay. Nice. Let's put a padding on that. All right, that should be what I want. Ish, at least for now. That's better. Maybe 10. Let's do 10. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Personal site. I'm much behind. Mm. I yeah, I think it's just, I don't know, it's just for DevRel. It's probably not that important. But I've wanted one for a long time, just been like kind of not making it. Wait, what? Are you mad about the cookie again? Funny eccentric. That's better. Okay, but now I want more space here. So this one is the banner. I have it centered, but I don't want it centered. I want it to be I want it to be space around, I think. It's funny because like when you're doing like designs, if you can want to see to move it. No, see, that's not great. That's been nice. It's Peak Web Design, copy source tree. Convinced we're about to see a renaissance of the personal website. Why, wait, Alan, why was there like was there like a death of the personal website? Like I could care less. I mean, I just want one. Really? Oh, I guess I'm millennial way behind the times. Oh, hmm. Well, I like personal websites. I've got like Vibrator on here, so I want people to use it. This is not what I want. I thought that's what I had space around. That's what I want. Space evenly is nice too. Let's do that one. That's what I want, space evenly. Although I want these to touch, so I might end up with a center and doing some gap stuff. So actually, let's do that instead. All right, so we're gonna do. I'm sorry, guys. One of these days, I'll show you a website builder I made to help the Renaissance. You've showed it to me, Alan. I love your static site builder. Hey, Shadow Tiger, how you doing? What's up? I don't have an RSS feed right now. Someday. All right. So I want to 2 words. Okay, good. That's what I wanted. And then insert. Oh, why do I have a? And then I want to do. Oh, silly. That's why I had it. And then let's do center. And we're going to put a gap in of 3 REM. And then I want borders on my. Let's just do H1. I'll change colors later. Okay. And then for I don't know if I want borders on H2. And actually, if this is the style sheet I'm going to use for all my sites, I guess I'd rather. Right, that works for me. Okay. So now they'll both have, or at least the title will have a border. That sucks. We'll fix it later. Padding. And then, let's see. No. Border padding. What else do I want? Border radius. I'm just going to do 15. I'm going to read chat for a minute. By the next time, you should change your background color to 222. I should have a color picker. Oh, that's cool. I like coolers. I think coolers is okay. Am I sick? Shadow Tiger, I'm not sick. I have allergies. Um, so yeah, this is just allergies. I feel fine. Just my throat hurts. I love that, Ellen. I think that's awesome. Come home. All right. And then I actually don't want this profile pic to be here. So I'm going to do. Ugh. I'm going to do circular image frame. And that's what I want to be. We'll see. I wonder if that's going to be weird because of the padding. I didn't save it. Hold on. I want to see what it does. So I actually want to do it in front of everybody. Oh, interesting. That's funny. Inside. That makes sense because is it? It is in it. So let's undo this. And then I probably could have left it and just done an inherit, but it's fine. Thanks for the follow. Welcome on in. Our Kirk. Oh, thanks for staying around. And Nathan. Thanks for following. Sorry I didn't see anything. Have I tried a neti pot? So, Brando, I actually my breathing is fine. It's just my throat. I actually don't know if a neti pot would help me. My allergies are all chest based. So, I don't know. I think Adobe Creative Clouds and Relative Color Matrix selection is pretty solid selectionizer. I like I like coolers right now, but I pick my own anyway. You would never use a neti pot? I don't know. I've heard good things. I don't know if I'd use a neti pot, but I've heard good things. So I want these to be reverse direction, like flex direction reverse. Column reverse probably. And Who Am I has to say a lot more content. So class text column. Oh, cool. The dot. That's what it does. Copies the last thing. So in text column, what we're going to do is we're going to do flex direction. And I think it's column or reverse column or column reverse. I can't remember. Right? No, that's not right. So let's see what it's supposed to be. Mad at me for stuff. Is it reverse column? Is column reverse? Did I spell it wrong? It basically should switch the. This banner is flex, right? Oh, but banner is, it's the wrong flex. Okay, all right. I just need to display flex for that. Because it's the wrong, it's embedded wrong. What? I think think that's what I wanted to do, which is who am I first? Yes. And then I want to write a bit. So we're going to write a bit about who Chrissy is. You guys have an opinion about who I am? Let's get... let's see. Sorry, guys. If you have an opinion about who I am, speak now or forever hold your peace. Get a bunch of who am I quotes from chatters and randomize them on the page. Ugh. But how would I get them? You mean like I would have to store them and I don't have anything. Although I don't know, maybe I could. I don't store the chats right now. I just store the vibes. I don't want to. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna get a site up, and then after I have a site up, then I'll do cool shit like that. You're beautiful. That's for sure. You're lovely, but it's not for sure. Excuse me. Okay, here we go. So, who am I? Who am I? This is interesting. You have an intro for you on my channel when you speak. That's what I think about you. Funny. I'm the man now. Who's the man now? My chat thinks I'm a person. Aw, Alan. Shut the front door. I mean, I love that I'm the vibe. I'll go, that's sweet. Alan, that's really nice, but like don't say such things unless you mean them. Yeah, for real. Okay. What? I am a lifelong learner. JK. In or all unsub. I'm like, what? Now it's a threat? How are you gonna unsub? You can't take it away. I don't know what you want me to pin. Pin what? What Benson said? I'm gonna mess it up. Okay, you can't make me do stuff by threatening to take subs away, by the way. I just didn't know what you meant. So, all right. I don't fucking know. Who am I? Who am I? No, God, I don't want to be like annoying. um, who am I? Father to us all, really? No. Jeez Louise. I think I just wanted like a description of I'll go. Um, um, I guess I feel like curious is overused, but like, okay, that's not really who I am. All right. Uh, let's Mega Hottie who writes code in her free time and also for work. um uh uh puts kindness before pride only sometimes. Tries her best to wear pajamas all the time. Loves cats and dogs and any animal, really. That's right. Oh, Alan. There you go. Seared tofu? What? Did you just sear tofu? Is that what you're saying? Seared tofu. I am seared tofu. Um, let's see. Let's see what else. This is just my like, it's just me thinking through what I want to put. Um tries Oh, troll mode. Got you. Oh, seared tofu. Loves cats and dogs and any animal really. On toast. I got you, Silent Bear. I got you. I got you. I do love seared tofu. I'm actually trying to become a vegetarian, but I'm taking it really slow. Okay. What else? Can roll her own sushi. And server. Sushi. Um, you think this is it, Alan? I just want to add, because I am trying to break into, wants to use public speaking skills to rock the developer relations world and advocate to make the shit we wish we coded ourselves, but didn't have the time better. What do you think? Does it need edits? Probably. I feel like calling yourself a mega hottie is not like, first of all, not. but like calling yourself one is like, okay, great. This bitch. uh, uh, pretty much a gigatera. Yeah, right. Okay, let's put some padding in this. Keep on padding. I'm gonna make 10 pixels. Should probably be more. Let's do 15. What did I put in the name? These are like 10 of the nicest things I've ever said about myself, by the way. So I don't hate this. But what we need to do is make it smaller. All right, so let's put a margin in here in the About Me section. Oh, if you let your hair down. Okay, we're gonna do margin. Let's just do width, and we're gonna put the width, I think, at 80%, and that should make it better. I could probably do a lot of this in, oh, that didn't work, in the inspector and see what I want to do now, because now I've got like a good base, but that didn't work. Why didn't that work? See, what's wrong with this? Oh, because that's 80%. I need the whole thing, the banner, to be 80%. I don't want that. So we're going to undo this, and then we're going to go up to banner. Actually, let's redo that. What's redo? Capital U? No, it's not. I don't know what redo is. I was going to delete it and put it up here. But okay, next time. Control R, really? Well, now it's not going to. Already it knows change. Yeah, I fucked it up. All right, that's fine. So we're going to do width 80%. And then we're going to do, get rid of this. Stop doing that. And then you want to, probably want it a little bit. That's better. That's way better. It's too long though. And I want to center these two. So we're going to center our text column. Justify content center. Okay, that's good. And then what else do we want to do? So not only do we want it to be center, but we want it to fit text. I want the border to fit the text. I know that. I was so bummed, Zion Bear. That's why I wanted to do the redo so I could DD the line and put it up there. I felt silly not doing that. But that's okay. I'll get used to it. It's almost 2 o'clock. I still have so much energy. I don't know what to do with it all. All right, let's see if we can do a fit content here. Is that gonna, I think that's gonna do what I want. No, I didn't. Is that because it's in text column? No, it's in description. That's all right. So we'll just center this and fix the width. Oh, because that's because I put it on description, not on title. Okay. I'll just do it here. It doesn't really matter. There we go. I still don't know how to get back into this window. I can go left, and if I go right, it just mexes it up. LeetCode? I would do LeetCode. I do one LeetCode problem. That sounds fun. I should sleep, but whatever. I was actually thinking when I started streaming that I kind of wanted to do like an all-night stream like I used to do because I was feeling it. I don't know how everybody's feeling, so all right, let's check this out. You know what? I don't want to do that till I center it. So that's the title, and then I want to center text columns. So, right, and then we're gonna no, it is doing center already. But it's not, okay, so the issue is actually, is there a close here? Does this need a close? Am I missing that elsewhere? Let's double check. This one isn't where I want it to be. This one also doesn't have a close. Okay, so what do I want now? I want width fit content, and I want margin auto. It's you, shape your body. All right, so it should be good. Excuse me, sorry. There we go. Still not centered, but that's okay. I want this to be like take up less space, like a lot, like this. I want it to look like this all the time. I guess what I could do is just make it skinnier width. So if I do, instead of width 80, I'll do width like 60. And that should be what I want. Right? I think so. Not really. No, not really. I guess I'm gonna put my name off top. I kind of like the way I designed it on Excalidraw, where my name was like on the bottom, but stretched the whole thing, you know, and just had a little bit more margin. So hold on, let's actually see. So if we make the banner, and then we do text column, fine, and then title. If we make the title, oh, max width. Yeah, that's the right idea. Hey, MMLV. How you doing? LVX, how you doing? Algorithms for days. Oh, okay. All right. Good night, Zion Bear. Gotta crash. I feel ya. Control W and W to switch the window. Max width is a good idea. It's fun to do Vim. I'm having fun doing Vim. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I should just do a max width here. I think, though, I don't know what I want that to be. Like, I like this. What do I want to max with this? Like 60. I think that's right. Excuse me. Coughing in everybody's faces. It's gross. And then let's lose everything else. Thanks for the follow. Boy-eyed, and AT Control. Thank you too, by the way. Sorry for missing you. Okay, and then we're gonna do. I don't want the banner to be 80%, so let's do that. But I do want title. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So then, oh, enjoy your lurk, MMLVX. Happy to have you around. Except for taxes? All right. Well, I won't encourage you to do them now, but for sure tomorrow. Taxes. Squeeze every last drop. All right, so we got a max width, and then what else do I want? I want Chrissy codes to look better. So I want that to be like width 80%, which is the title. So I'm gonna do not fit content. Wrong. That's not what I want. I want you to be 80%. Okay, perfect. Friggin' taxes, y'all. We gotta do 75. All right, so then I've got, no, it's gonna be like 60. Okay, that's good. That's what I want. And then I want, okay, I'm getting there. And then let's see. Let's try it out. Let's drop this. What happened? Margin? My margins? Okay. All right, that's fine. There we go. Not bad, but not exactly what I want. I think this gap is too small. I do 2 EMs. Hey, Ann. How you doing, friend? I'm making a website. I don't have one right now, so I'm working on that. Did it work? Did Ira all bubbles shut down? Hold on, let's see. I'm gonna give you that back so you can call it again. I wonder if it died. All right, let's see what happened. The view function for run bubbles did not return a valid response. Let's see what's going on, Ira bubbles. I gotta wait until it's ready, which is 3 seconds. And then what? Did this even call it? Ruh-roh. I should never make a change. Go away. Did somebody else get bubbles and not get it? Old Sloppy did get it. You did break it. All right, let's try again. No call. That means my maybe Mecha Chrissy's down. Mecha Chrissy is not down. Oh, and Vibes is working. Oh. Or at least it should be. Nothing is working. Ah. Interesting. What broke? So it's still running. Hold on, check. Everything's down. Is my chat not going through? See that? Like it certainly was just a second ago. I think you did break everything, Ian. Did my bot unregister? Hold on. That's kind of weird because it's only been 3 hours, so I feel like it should not just be that fast. Give me a hot minute. Okay. All right, so we're good there. And then let's rerun Mecha Chrissy, see if that fixes some things. All right, check 1, 2. Hello. That's not how you spell hello. It is not sending. It should happen every time. This is not reading my chats. Maybe if I do vibes. Weird, weirdy, weird, weird. Nothing. God. Are you guys here? Hello. It's not even like registering the requests. Hey, Jay Walter, how you doing? How about this one? Ah, this is a. Let's see. Let's try this. All right, let's try again. All right, we're good now. Fix the stream. Y'all remember when I couldn't do that? All right, Ian, let's get those bubbles. I'm just gonna give them out for free. Bubbles! Hey, Whittington. We've got IRL bubbles. How you doing? IRL bubbles. Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. I'm glad I got that to work. That was fun. Sorry for the
You can do
sorry
it!
for the aside, everybody. I did do it, Ian. Not only can I do it, but I did do it. It's even better than that. Don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head to feel left out or looked down on. Try your best.
Jujule it.
All right. I think it's Google. Oh, here we
It's
go.
Juju.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we've got this, and I like this look a little better now. This is what I was going for. And I don't know what color I want. I think I should do probably a little bit of what's it called? You know when you do CSS and you add the pink, like you pick a pink and thing, and a white and a yellow and a. No, I just saw Jimmy Eat World. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome, Whittington. If it's good enough for someone else, forgot to do this. I still don't know why this isn't automated. Sorry, babe. Oh, ha, API error. Okay, ignore that one. The first one's good enough. Be just fine. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to create, I think I just want a horizontal line in here for now. So what I might just do is like, end section, insert, and I'm just gonna do, and I'm not just gonna do the HR, I'm gonna do class equals, do I wanna do split banner or something? I don't know what I wanna call this, because I think I'm gonna put a picture in it. Split. No, this isn't what I want to do, actually. This is not what I want to do. I think what I want to do instead is... okay. I'm going to do... I love this song. This music video is also great, but I mean, it's simple. Somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody. I like it too, Whittington. Kinda now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not there to get me through it all. I can usually sing so much better than this. We all know this, but I'm scared. Let's just get this under here. I need to comment this too. Hey, Faffin, you scared me. I was listening to this beautiful song that I love. Oh. I was getting kind of used to being someone you love. All right, project banner. I want this background. Oh, this isn't going to be great. I think that's what I want to do. I also want to do it for the banner too. Do I though? Weezer, baby. What a like this playlist slaps, y'all. I don't know if you did this or I did it, but words to say. On an island in the sun. All right. I think this is the wrong thing to do. I think I'm just going to do it to the banner for now. Okay. And then project banner. Okay. On an island in the sun. All right, background color. It's funny, I don't even know what I did. All right, so if I have a background color for the project banner, for now it's just going to be white. And it's gonna be a height of something very simple, like let's just do 30 pixels. And then okay, and then we're gonna do, I understand I'm like this super low, but project link. And that's going to be these are going to be like buttony. So this is going to be background color is going to be, let's just make it pink for now. And then padding is going to be 10 pixels. And then drop shadow. Oh God, I don't know how to do these. I gotta do like, I don't know what that's gonna look like. Does it not know what drop shadow is? Is it box shadow? There we go. Background color padding. Let's make sure color is black. I think it is already. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see what this looks like because I don't know how it's gonna look. Sort of. That's not what I wanted to do. It's funny though. All right. This is the issue. The project banner should be around everything. So why is it broken up with the gaps? Because it's a container. And I have, no, that's not correct. Because I have space around. All right, let's get rid of that. And we'll put it, okay. All right. How's everybody doing? I feel like I'm like super quiet. We're just listening to music, but I don't mind that. That's what stream's all about, right? Okay, this is what I wanted to do, but I don't know what's happening here. That's what I want more. That's fine. It's weird. Why is Project Banner separate? You see, it should be like the background. These should not be. Hold on. Pixeline Center, Project Banner. You do. Thanks for saying that. Trying to figure out what the hell is happening. It's got to be my Flexbox. Oh, you know what? This is container and project banner. This is Flex, so this should be fine. Row, center, fine. Margin auto is fine. It's when I moved Flex, it was fine, but it wraps it, so it should be like totally no big deal. Looks like morning in your eyes. Div, div, div. This is fine. These are all fine. This is so weird. Maybe padding? You think it's padding? But where? Like if I have 0 padding, it should just be. And I don't think I have. No, I don't have padding in my body. And I don't have padding in container. Maybe I forgot to close something. Div, div. Div, div. Body section. Thanks for the follow, by the way. And Ventura. Section close here. H2 close, H1 close, div close, section, section. These are all closed. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's happening. But it's weird because it's flex specific. Like, watch. So, like, if I disappear flex, well, you know what this does make me think it's a missing end tag because these are not like absolute or anything, right? Like the socials links are not absolute. So why would they be on top? Should be all relative or static. Spacing. Oh, but I don't see anything. There's nothing obvious that's messed up here. Hold on. A link closes, the div links close. The source is garbage, but that shouldn't be fucking with it. You should you shouldn't mess with that like that. See, this is interesting. Like it's only highlighting the top. How weird is that? And then this is like a new world. A whole new world. Maybe the source is breaking it. Maybe it's this. Let's fix that. Let's just pop those out for now. Empty. I wouldn't think they are, but I didn't suspect that would do anything. That worked. I mean, at least got it out of there. But then what happened to? So if I like, okay, those are fine. Here, this is the issue. There's something with container and project banner that's messing up. I like the natural height of that actually better than height 30 pixels. So I think I'm going to leave that. I want this, but maybe this needs to be in container. All right, let's do that. No, but it should be project banner. It's the same fucking spot. Oh, freestyling. But I have an Excalidraw design. I'm learning Figma, but this is my Excalidraw. Tech Mentor and Ventura. Are you changing the CSS? I am changing the CSS. No, I haven't. I haven't so far, no. I'm just changing it in the in the in here. I'm just changing it in here. In the inspector. I'm not. Like that's what I want. So what's happening here though? Like what is going on? What is that? Why is that like eating into what is happening? These are not absolutely placed. So they should be all static. So something's really confusing me here. Yeah, I click reload. Hard refresh. Hello. Like, what the fuck even is this? It does if I do. My server's down? Am I being attacked? I think this is a server issue. My server is dead? Does that have too much stuff because of the images? Oh, shit. Might be something I want to work on off stream anyway. It says bad permissions, which kind of sucks balls. No, I can't SSH in. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I know why I can't. Hold on. I know what happened. I don't know what Dio says. I don't even know how to check. Okay. Unstoppable. This is my droplet. Okay. Batteries. I mean, it says it's active. I did click on it. You mean double click? Jeez. I don't know what hung means. That's okay. I can work on this offline anyway. And it's probably a good idea. Access recovery. No. Okay. Sorry. Oh, okay. Open the droplet console. Hit enter. Out of memory. Hit enter. Oops, sorry. Where the fuck did it go? I just clicked away from it. I didn't click out of it. There we go. Oh, shit. Log in. I log in with GitHub. Oh, with my... No, to my server, you're right. I can't share this anymore. Hold on. All right. I have to raid out and figure out what's happening. And that's okay because it's late already and I should sleep. So NBD. Yeah, no, I can't show you anything. So, not on stream. Because the login didn't, it just showed my password, so I was not about to. Maybe I didn't do it right. I don't know. Whatever. So yeah. All right, everybody. Sounds good. I'll see you all later. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for all the subs tonight and the follows. I'm really excited to stream again. It felt like it was like forever since I'd streamed last. Like it felt like a really long time. And I don't know whether that's like my burnout is gone or what's happening, but it feels like at least my stream burnout. Oh no, Flappy, you just got here? I'm so sorry. Um, well, I'll be oh. Well, why did it say grit? Oh, because I was logging in. Yeah, that makes sense. Um, so yeah, so I'll see you all next Thursday. Am I tomorrow up? I don't think so. I usually only do Thursdays. And like if I promise to do something before that, I never do it. So like if I don't promise anything, maybe I'll stream sooner, but like I've been wanting to lift. I've been wanting to do squats on stream and to like get back into lifting and bodybuilding. So I really, really want to, but I don't know how to get motivated to do that. So we'll see. Um, I think that Grim is probably gonna raid out. We'll see, but oh yeah, I don't know. Let's see. He said Discord join us. I don't know. Let's try to raid into Grim and see how it goes. But yeah, I'll see y'all soon. Maybe for a workout, and if not, I'll be here next Thursday. Will I? Is that true? I will be. I'll be here next Thursday. All right. Talk to y'all soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'll see you soon.